Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. Now we will tell you news about Algorand cryptocurrency. What latest retracement on ALGO's chart reveals about its future price trend? As the bears refrained from giving up their advantage, Algorand ALGO was on the back foot for the last few months. Now, it struggled to topple the long-term 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. While the buyers are trying to keep up their pressure, the chances of defending the 73-cent support were bright. If this pressure sustains, a retest of the mean, 20 SMA, of its Bollinger Bands, BB, seemed likely. Following this, the overall market structure would play a vital role to anticipate a pattern breakout possibility. At press time, ALGO traded at $0.7349, down by 3.82% in the last 24 hours. After the bulls struggled to hold their grounds at the $1.8 resistance, ALGO steeply downturned and gravitated towards the $0.773 support range. This range has offered a strong floor for over a year now. The alt lost nearly 61.5% of its value from 5 January and pulled back towards its 7-month low on 24 February. Since then, the sturdy 23.6% Fibonacci level shunned all recovery attempts by the ALGO buyers. As a result, the latest retracement saw a sharp pullback between the down channel, yellow. During this phase, the mean of the BB coincided with the upper trend line of this channel and offered strong resistance. Historically, the bulls have shown a keen interest in defending the current support range. Also, the price has entered into a cheaper phase near the lower band of its BB. From here on, a retest of the 76 and 77 cents mark before potentially entering into a consolidation phase seemed probable for the alt. Further, most reversals from the $0.7 level found a recovery towards the upper band of the BB. The sellers tested the 34 support thrice in just the last 3 days. While the buyers maintained the flatter support level on the RSI, the price action marked lower troughs, thus revealing a bullish divergence. Similarly, the OBV maintained its immediate support, while the price kept falling, conforming to the bullish tendencies in the near term. Conclusion: the oversold readings on the BB with the divergences on its RSI and OBV made the chances of a near-term bullish comeback bright. But the buyers still needed to ramp up the volumes to find a pattern-breaking sustainable rally. To top it up, the traders should keep a close watch on Bitcoin's movements, as ALGO shares a 74% 30-day correlation with the King coin. So next news. Another 11% fall on the way. Should ALGO investors exit the market when a cryptocurrency makes a name for itself in the market? It is because of the positive price action usually. However, Algorand seems to have defied that narrative. Instead of making the investors optimistic, ALGO has kept them down in losses. On closer inspection, it appears that ALGO's journey to the south is not over yet. Algorand likes to tumble. The altcoin has been slipping on the charts since September. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, ALGO failed to rally back in November and instead consolidated. As December and January came, the coin was deep down in losses. In fact, the broader market events in those 2 months only made it worse for Algorand. At the time of this report, it was 60 personal opinion. Ripple and Hinman consulted same law firm. As per reports, Perkins and Qua, the law firm who wrote the legal memos for Ripple back in 2012, also assisted Hinman to draft his 2018 Ether is no longer a security speech. Attorney Jeremy Hogan has posted that after the Hinman speech, Perkins and Qua website issued that other senior officials and the chair of the SEC are in a growing consensus. The issued blog talks about how the same instrument could transform back into a security if the facts and circumstances changed yet again. On the very same day as Hinman's speech in San Francisco, Valerie Sepenick, the SEC's new senior advisor for digital assets and innovation, and Gary Goldschall, senior advisor to the director of trading and markets, corroborated Director Hinman's remarks while speaking at a panel event on Capitol Hill. Specifically, Goldschall reiterated Hinman's position that something can transform from a security to a non-security. The blog clearly reads that, on June 21, 2018, SEC Chairman Clayton provided further confirmation that the framework outlined in Hinman's speech is the approach SEC staff takes to evaluate whether a digital asset is a security in testimony to the U.S. House of Representatives Financial Services Committee. Hinman's own opinion over ETH and BTC. Hinman in his speech has expressed his views that sales of Ether are not securities transactions based on the state of Ether, the Ethereum network, and its decentralized structure. While, in his view, Bitcoin also is not a security, because network participants are not reliant upon the efforts of a central third party. I do not see a central third party whose efforts are a key determining factor in the enterprise. The network on which Bitcoin functions is operational, and appears to have been decentralized for some time, perhaps from inception. Applying the disclosure regime of the federal securities laws to the offer and resale of Bitcoin would seem to add little value. Hinman said on his speech. However, Hinman has also said that the token or coin by itself is not a security. The packaging and sale of such token or coin could bring it within the purview of the securities laws. The SEC has been giving contradicting statements in the past and arguments in the court over the nature of the tokens. From personal opinion now being called to public guidance, Hinman's speech is full of contradictions and signals that maybe the agency was favoring some tokens over others. In principle, that's all. Now let's move on to a short and long-term forecast for this cryptocurrency. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest Algorand, ALGO, price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Algorand Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Algorand will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. Algorand Price Forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, Algorand, ALGO, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Algorand's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. ALGO Rate Prediction 2024. The value of Algorand will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull